Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to search for jobs on Indeed in 2026. Yeah, whether you're looking for remote work, part-time jobs, or full-time careers, Indeed makes the process really simple. First, open the Indeed app on your phone or go to the official Indeed website in your browser. Next, type the type of job you're looking for into the search bar. You can search by job title, skill, or company name. Now enter the city, state, or country where you want to work. You can also search for remote jobs if you prefer working from home. After entering your details, tap or click the search button to view available job listings. You can narrow down the results using filters like salary, job type, experience level, date posted, and remote options. Yeah, filters make it much easier to find relevant jobs quickly. Once you find a job that interests you, click on the listing to read the full description, requirements, and application details. If you're not ready to apply yet, save the job for later, so you can come back anytime and apply directly through Indeed when you're ready. And that's how to search for jobs on Indeed in 2026. Hopefully this guide helps you find the right opportunities faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.